So today we're going to take you through hanging a hammock in 1 minute. Step 1, buy a hammock. Step 2, hammock straps. These are much friendlier on trees than ropes. Step 3, picking properly spaced trees. Often the most underlooked part of hammocking. You want 2 trees that are at least 1.5 times the length of your hammock. So if your hammock is 8 feet long, you want 12 feet spaced trees. Step 4, attaching the hammock straps around the tree. This is where having hammock straps with multiple loops comes in very handy. Step 5, you'll want to pick a loop on the hammock strap that allows for a comfortable hang. One of the most important things in step 5 when hanging the hammock is to pick the appropriate loops that allow for about a 15 to 30 degree angle on either side. And the 2 unwritten rules of hammocking is 1, never let the hammock touch the ground, and 2, no shoes in the hammock. Thanks for watching.